নিজের একটা শেষ করে দেখছি।
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. I am Thakur Amanik Luknath from the Department of BBA, University of Brahmanbaria, and these are my team member, Nura Begum Pushpo, Kiana Akhtar, Maisha Rahman, and Aminul Bhushari. I'm delighted to be here to tell you about the history and objective of its sole proprietorship business. Now I start my presentation. So first of all, I tell a sole proprietor business story. The journey of Munshi Confectionery Shop began with Mr. Suhag Munshi ambition to provide a better shopping experience for his community, frustrated by the inconvenience of buying grocery and confectionery from the multiple small vendors. He envisioned a single and organized store where residents could find everything and they needed under one roof. With his life savings and small loan from his family, he secured a modest commercial space in a bustling neighborhood of Brahmanbaria. He officially opened Munshi Confectionery, a small but clean and well-stocked grocery and confectionery shop. Now I tell about the sole proprietorship business objective.